Hello, my name is Konstantin Büscher. I'm the CEO of HAANE Welding Systems. Yeah, I'm happy to be here. I'm the second time joining the Lincoln Electric Wind Seminar. We are here in Gdansk and we have the pleasure to be here in a great network, and we see all the things which are coming from the past, which will happen in the future, and for sure we are happy to join this network, and we will also take the necessary steps for the next years in order to be prepared what happened in the wind industry.
My name is Matthias Verrieth, Managing Director at HAANE Welding Systems, and I really enjoyed to be part of this networking event here in Gdansk. So it was a great opportunity to network with all the key players of the offshore wind market and to discuss different topics. So thanks to Lincoln, it was a perfect organized event, and yeah, thank you to be part of it.